back, got that one good. TV had no chance. Love this cat. Welcome back to another episode of Spud Destruction, the show where we take whatever we can fit in the barrel and destroy these objects. I'm your host, Ryan Prince.
I'm Daniel Martinez.
Well, Daniel, where'd this come from? Back of a truck?
Don't say anything, but yeah, no. That's my parents' TV. They've had it since I was born, pretty much. It's really old.
I don't think they made these back
I know,
then.
but anyways, it's got a lot of miles on it, and it doesn't work anymore.
It's a nice TV.
It's a very nice TV.
I hate to shoot, even though it's even not working.
I know it, but all good things must come to an end.
I agree.
I would say it's a good thing. But the question is, what are we going to put through it today?
Well, we got something special. We have a special guest that has made a special projectile. A lot of special going on. Let's invite him up here. Jeff from Taofledermaus.
No one can get that right.
Nah, sorry. We'll butcher it every time.
What we got here is probably the world's largest wax slug.
Did you hear that?
World's largest. It's a 2-inch in diameter. This is a small one. I brought two. I brought a 10 ounce and an 8 ounce. This is an 8 ounce wax slug, and it's been cast of wax, but it's about a third the way is lead birdshot. The rest is wax. It's got a nice cup on here, which naturally formed when the wax shrunk. And we have a nice shot cup here, which is exactly how it would fit into a shotgun shot shell. And this will, when it hits the slipstream, it's going to open up and the wax slug will be released. And hopefully it'll fly straight. Since we have the heavy end on the front, light end, kind of a skirt on the back, it should perform very well and hit very, very hard.
I think it's going to cause a lot of damage. We got the wax slugs, 150 psi, and we're going to tear up that TV.
Yeah. Ready to go? In 3, 2, 1.
There's a lot of shot in there.
Oh, it is.
Is that it?
That's it. Oh, look, yeah. You can see all the BBs. That's what was in it.
So I think it stayed together.
We'll find. We got some other objects we can blast this TV with. We'll reset up and shoot it a couple more times because it's not done yet.
160 psi.
At 3, 2, 1.
Good Lord.
All right, we got it laying over there. Not too bad. Yeah, a little more damage.
You need to hit dead center.
Dead center. Okay, we're gonna reset up and go for shot number 3. Firing, third shot. The slug of death at 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Hey.
Your target.
Oh, okay. See,
It hit to the right of it.
Oh, did it?
I think that's almost done, unless you want to shoot paintballs at it.
I think we're done.
The paintballs would.
So this is how a TV is made. You got your inner layer, then you got your other inner layer.
And then you got
The
crap.
outer inner layer.
Oh, it's like an onion.
Pixie
Wow.
dust.
what
There's
do you-
many layers like an onion.
Wow.
Well, thanks for watching this episode of Spud Destruction. As you can see, this TV was no match for the Slug of Doom. And that special wax bullet that Jeff was so kind to make for us. So, appreciate that. And always check out his channel. It's real good, like I told you. We'll have a link. So, Daniel,
I think we're done here.
I think we're done. All right.
And like I say, wear gloves like I just did.
Yeah.
So
Wear gloves, please. Be safe. These things can hurt you. Just
Don't be stupid.
they're fun to play with, but don't be stupid like the guy off the side just said. So. All right. Well, I'm Ryan Prince.
I'm Daniel Martinez.
YouTube. See you later. And I guess made a custom slug out of it. I don't know what's the weight of that, you think?
No, that's probably good.
Maybe a
A
pound,
little less, maybe just a tad less than a pound.
maybe 3/4 pound.
Yeah, something
Alright.
in there.
But what do you think? I think that's the only thing that's going to affect this.